Hello Facebook, hi everybody, Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie. I usually am on about 4 o'clock every day. It's a little bit after 4 today. If you don't know my story, I started this at the beginning of the pandemic to give everybody something to look forward to every day at around 4 o'clock. I'm just gonna fix the light, it's a little bright. I've continued it. I get a lot of comments and people really like it. So I have continued it. I don't really do them on the weekends. I do them mostly during the week. I miss a day here and there when we're traveling or not around. But I always enjoy talking to you and giving you updates, and I love seeing when you're on joining me. So if you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. If you have ideas of anything that you would like to see me make, please drop a comment, give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. The more comments we get, the more hashtag lives, the more comments, the more people this video will actually reach. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Hello, Sean. Hello, Lenore. Hello, Brenda. Hello, Ralph. I know there's a few more people on, so thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. So as of July 5th, we can no longer sell wine in the bottle to go and spirits to go, but I'm going to continue doing this anyway. I think it's fun. A lot of people come in here and ask me to make them a drink that they've seen me make. Sometimes I remember them, sometimes I don't. If you are on our email, we now do Cocktail Wednesday, where one of the cocktails that I make live is put into an email and the recipe is sent to you. So I can see maybe a recipe book coming out of all of this. I don't know, we'll see. Or maybe a cocktail book, Cocktail Time with Jamie. I don't know, we'll see. So hello, Susan. Thank you everybody for watching me, I appreciate it. So yesterday, Marcus and I did a Facebook Live and we were talking about how do you like your margarita? And I said, okay, well, I'll make a margarita on my Facebook Live tomorrow. So here I am, I'm gonna make a mango margarita. But what we were trying to get at, and I misunderstood Marcus, I thought he meant rocks or salt. But what he was trying to talk about was, do you like a pre-mixed margarita? Do you like it with agave? Do you like it with a flavor? Do you like it when you go to a restaurant and they're using a premix? How do you feel about that? That was kind of what we were getting at yesterday. Is there a particular flavor that you like? So we were at a restaurant yesterday and we had a margarita. I had a margarita. I had a spicy jalapeno blood orange margarita, which sounded really good. But they used a mix and it was frustrating to me. I found that frustrating. It's really not difficult to make a margarita fresh, but the difference in flavor and taste is so much different. I was out, do you actually want to taste the tequila? Perfect, Marcus is actually watching me. So do you like to taste the tequila? Because I gotta tell you, the margarita I had yesterday, I couldn't even taste the tequila at all, and it was a little frustrating to me. So do you like to taste the tequila? And do you like mixes? Do you like to make it fresh? How do you like your margaritas? So drop a comment if you would like. And then I was out at a Mexican place a few weeks ago, and interestingly enough, they used a mix for a margarita. I don't know, consistency maybe, but the problem is it just doesn't taste good.
You can't taste the tequila.
You can't taste the tequila when you're using a mix at all. So so it's a little frustrating. I love making margaritas. I love drinking margaritas. I am going to make a mango margarita today. I guess it's kind of mango week because I did a mango daiquiri on Monday. So Brenda's saying fresh, and yes, I must taste the tequila. Awesome. I like to taste the tequila. I think the tequila gives it a whole added flavor. I mean, that's what a margarita is. So thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Hello Brenda, hello Melissa, Ralph, Michael, who else is on here? Marcus is on, Susan. So thank you, I appreciate you watching me. And here we go, I'm gonna make a mango margarita. So I have ice in my shaker, and we're gonna start with Pueblo Vieja. This is a woman-owned distillery down in Mexico. awesome story behind that. Marcus, of course, knows all the stories better than I do, but woman owned. She has a daycare for her employees so they can bring their kids to work. Her husband was killed in the agave wars, and of course he was killed because they thought that he wouldn't open the distillery or keep the distillery open, or his family wouldn't, and they did, and his wife took over and she does a fabulous job. So this is actually our well tequila, but it's not really well. It's an amazing tequila. So 2 ounces of tequila. And if you've been watching me a long time, you know that we don't use triple sec, we use orange curacao. Marcus ordered a drink last night with curacao in it, and they gave him blue curacao, so you can imagine how he felt when he got that drink. But this is orange curacao. So this is from Washington State. I add 1 ounce of curacao, a little splash of agave. You know, you can put as much agave in your margaritas as you'd like, as little, as much. And then I'm going to shake up my fresh lime juice that I have, and I'm going to put about a half an ounce of lime juice. I don't love my margaritas super sweet. I like them a little bit more sour. I don't know how you like your margarita, but that's how I like mine. And a little bit of mango juice. Actually, you know, I said on Monday I need to put mango juice on our menu if somebody wants to add mango juice into their daiquiri or our frozen margaritas that we have. So take that on up. I like my margaritas on the rocks and with salt, so I'm just going to rim the glass, and I brought the salt over already, and I'm just going to rim the glass. I love that. Little ice. And I'm going to pour my margarita away here. And there we have it. A nice mango margarita. So we'll top it off with my lime. And I'm going to take a sip. I feel like you're sitting out in an ocean somewhere. I love the beach. I love the ocean. I love sitting outside, my toes in the sand and relaxing. And this would be a nice addition in my hand if I was doing that. So let's see. Tonight, jazz was canceled. We have indoor dining this evening because the rain. I know it's supposed to rain more. You know, it looks really bright outside now. I know it's supposed to rain. Once we're outside, it's hard to move everybody inside if it does start raining. So we're going to do indoor dining tonight. No jazz. Our $9.99 special of the week is Mongolian barbecue chicken with rice and broccoli, so you can take that to go. And we're going to be busy this weekend, so please make sure that you give us a call, 845-647-3000 to make reservations. We'll be outside unless it is raining. We will be inside. So hope everybody has an awesome day, and I will see you all soon. Cheers.